Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about gamma exposure, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
So the market opened right there. There's the end of the morning session, the beginning of the closing session. There's the whole day. Yeah, right at the open, we just took off and went all the way up here. We just broke through the session high, but it pulled way back. So now this is very indicative of what I would normally call an impulsive move during the day with the normal pullback that we've seen in the past, right? And so it pulled back, came back up, tried to make a new high, but failed, which is usually, from my point of view, if it fails, then what we're looking for is lower highs and lower lows. But that never happened, right? It went up on an impulsive move, pulled back, looks like, man, I would say from its very low, almost about 50%. Came back up, tried to make a new high, failed. So once it fails, what we're looking for, and it almost looks like that it's doing that. It looks like it's making lower lows and lower highs, right?
You're right. And then
but then it breaks up like this and then goes down. But then it recovers and makes a new high. This recover right here, that's what you're talking about. This big 3% drop in the VIX. So something must have happened right there. I'm guessing it has something to do with this little node right here on the volume profile.
Somebody talking today?
And if you notice what this is right here, this pattern right here, what do I call that?
Well, let me put my glasses on. I'm looking at my phone.
Tweezers.
That's right. That's the tweezers pattern.
Yep, sure enough. I had to zoom in.
Now we had one over here too, and it responded to it, but then it got defeated right here at the bottom of this node. I can tell it's the bottom of a node because there's a green line there, right? Make that a little thicker.
Right.
And now it's going for the top of this node. So this is big here. We could have a big breakout if it gets to the top of this and breaks out above this node, about the top of this node. So we have another node down here too. So just look at the action that we just witnessed here. So we have a node here, and then we have a node up here. And I would imagine then that this line right here is probably like a deep crevice or something. I'm just going to guess based on the fact that it stopped there. And I'm sure if I zoom out, that's what I'm going to see. But it came all the way down here, found support, a tweezers, blasted off, but it wasn't ready and got defeated when it tried to get into this node up here. And then it looked like it was going to just die. Lower highs, lower lows. Looks like it was going to be a rollover and then a flush. But that flush resulted in another tweezers. So I don't know what's going on here, but I'm willing to bet that these two patterns right here are related to each other.
You need to look at the gamma charts.
I haven't looked at that yet, but I'm just doing it based on my volume profile analysis.
Yeah, like volume has been way off since the shutdown. I think there's just not a lot of institutional buying going, and then there's no triggers because of the no reports. What we're seeing is a lot more dealer control.
So I would agree.
These are all like mechanical moves according to convexity. These are all dealer mechanical moves.
And the point I'm trying to make though is that volume profile shows you a complementary view to gamma. But what the evaluation of the gamma does is give you a much more contextual view of what's going on for that day. So volume profile is giving you the big picture view, where the structural elements, where price is likely to interact, because that's what happens. So it laid out the roadmap, what it is. And then all the gamma stuff that we're doing with Fly on the Wall is telling you how we're acting on that road.
Ernie, for clarification, I need to ask, your volume profile green and red lines are based on a 4-hour or a daily
Big picture.
chart.
Big picture.
Yeah. And then you were then describing the 5-minute volume profile in the middle.
I'm not looking at the profile at all. As a matter of fact, that I could just take that away.
Okay, good. That was messing with me.
Yeah. All these lines are from the big picture.
Yeah, I understand now. Thanks.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.